Welcome back, my beauty squad. If you do, it's your girl Jessica, and we have a giveaway. Hey, 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 hey. And we have a giveaway. Hey, 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 hey. Giveaway time, giveaway time. Ta, ta, ta. Giveaway time, giveaway time. Ta, 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 ta. Sorry. Y'all already know. And absolutely, these right here are hands down my favorite videos to do because I get to give back to y'all. And I haven't been able to do it in such a long time. I just feel truly blessed that I'm able to do this right now. So, with that being said, I am in a collaboration with my beautiful squad sister, Samantha Sweets. This lovely lady right here. We are doing a giveaway, Colourpop giveaway for spring. So, with her channel and my channel, you have total chances to win a palette and some extra goodies. Six winners, y'all. Six winners will be chosen between my channel and her channel. You have 3 chances to win a palette from mine and 3 chances to win a palette from her. Plus, like I said, extra goodies. Make sure you stay tuned through all the video. That way you know the details for the giveaway. When it starts, when it ends. It will start the day this launches, April 3rd, and it does end May 3rd. I will announce the winner on May 3rd. So May 2nd is the last chance you have to enter, because I'm not sure what time I'm going to start choosing the random comment picker. Please, please, please have your page private, where it's public, where I can see that you are subscribed to me and Samantha. That truly, honestly helps us out. It helps us out that you're watching this video, watching our ads and all that. That really, truly helps us out. That helps us be able to do types of videos like this. And I will leave Samantha's link down below. Nothing special in this video. I'm just announcing the giveaway. I was going to do a look. Throughout the video, I'll have a picture of the look that I did, because I already filmed this video once. I just didn't want to leave it that long, because that was pretty long now. If y'all would like to see that look, I can recreate it, because I didn't really like the finished work of it. Like, it wasn't my best. It was something new I was trying. So this is what we're doing. I'm just sitting down, chit-chatting with y'all for a few minutes, letting y'all know what to do. Make sure you leave the details down below. Sorry, but this is US only. Hopefully, in the near future, if I grow a little bit bigger and actually start getting paid from YouTube again, I can do international giveaways. But as right now, this is only US or US only address. So if you have somewhere to ship it in the US, by all means, enter in. I also have IG here, TikTok, and email. All those will be listed down below to contact me. So, stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you grab that description box. Click on Samantha's video after mine, so you have a chance to enter into hers as well. That being said, turn that bell on. I will see y'all over in the video.
Yeah. Bring you up. Yeah, come on.
Hey, my beauty squad. So today's gonna be a really quick and fun video for y'all, because this is officially the giveaway video. Yeah. Now I'm gonna scoot over here because I want to show y'all in detail a eye look I was doing and I was going to do for this video, but it was really long and I've been having a really hard time with uploads right now, and I did not want this video to be so long it wouldn't upload in time. So I'm gonna put a picture up here somewhere of the look. If you would like to see that video, I can always redo the look for y'all. It's just I did not want to have y'all waiting a couple of days for this video. I want to get it up April 3rd because it's giveaway time. I know y'all have heard it thousands and thousands of times coming out of my mouth since the new year that I'm doing giveaways. I'm back at doing giveaways, and it's officially here. And y'all, it's going to be epic. Epic. I'm not only doing a giveaway myself, but this is also with one of my beautiful Busy Beauty sisters, Miss Samantha Sweets. I will throw a picture up right here. If y'all do not know who Samantha Sweets is, she is another YouTuber. She does great unboxings. She gets a lot of different PR from different brands and shows y'all reviews. She has a lot of spoiler videos, like any and everything beauty-wise, she will cover for you. she does a lot of research in her videos to give y'all spoilers of Jeffree Star launches, of Etsy, of BoxyCharm, you know, all the good tea for the boxes that need to be spilled. You can find them over on her channel. She also, from time to time, does eye looks and simple looks for whenever you're getting ready to go out the door, what have you may. She has such a bubbly personality. Like, once you start watching her, you will see what I mean. Pretty sure most of y'all know who she is by now. She has been on this platform for quite a while. It is someone that I idol. I watched way before I had my own channel. And her personality and her smiles and her laughs is just out of this world. And it's awesome. Like, make sure you check her out. You do not want to miss her. She does do lives here and there periodically. She doesn't really have a set time and date when she goes live. She just goes up whenever she feels like it. So make sure you got your notification bell on so you can catch one of them. But yeah, she is so cool, so down to earth. If you want any kind of spoilers, check her out. She also gets PR from Busy Beauty. She gets PR from a couple other companies as well. And she does unboxings with those. So just make sure you check her out. Show her some love. Let her know where you're coming from. I would truly appreciate it. She does hellacious giveaways. Like, all the time. Constantly doing giveaways. All the time. Like, I don't know how she does it. But with that being said, she asked me to be on board with this one. And I was like, yeah. So I had to go out and get a couple palettes. Yes, I said a couple. So I am doing 3 giveaways over here on this video. And she is doing 3 giveaway winners over on her video. Now, this is a springtime Colourpop giveaway. Yeah. These right here are the 3 palettes that I will be giving away. Make sure you go over and watch her video. She has 3 different Colourpop palettes. If she sends me a picture, I'll throw a picture up of what she's giving away up here. But first we have Flower out of the Bambi collection, which I thought was freaking adorable. I did snag the collection myself. And out of the 3 palettes, this one was kind of the prettiest that I thought. So I grabbed an extra one for one of y'all. Look at that. Like, look how gorgeous. And at first, I wasn't too... like, I didn't know how to feel about these small palettes. I don't really care for small palettes. But it is a cool concept because if you are traveling, as most people are right now, they're finally getting able to be out of their houses since all this mess went on. It's something cool you can throw in your little makeup bag. And it just stores the smallest little space. You would probably have room to put some bubble wrap around it if you really want to secure it. It's just, I like the compactness of it. And I'm pretty sure that's kind of what they were thinking. Because we've all been cooped up for how long in our houses. And, you know, now everything's trying to get somewhat normal for what is going to be our normal for now on. So, that's a cool palette to toss in your purse, in your bag, in your diaper bag, whatever. And if you're going to be out all day at the beach, at the lake, at the park, you can go in and touch up. Easy peasy, instead of like one of these big old palettes that most purses don't fit. You get me? This is the second one. Now, I do have to say, YouTube is not affiliated with this giveaway. No shape, no form, no sense of matter. I purchased my own palettes. She purchased her own palettes. Everything that's been given away in this collaboration is of our own personal purchases. YouTube has no affiliation with it. Has no affiliation with it being sent to y'all. We have to pay for all that. That's all our doing. You cannot holler at YouTube and be like, hey, I want Jessica's giveaway. Give it here. No, I'm responsible. Samantha's responsible for her giveaway. I do ask that you are subscribed and that you do have your notification bell on. It helps me out a lot. I am monetized, and with this algorithm, I'm constantly trying to learn on YouTube. It is so hard to grow. And y'all watching our videos, I just want to give back and show appreciation because that's what helps my channel. You're truly sitting down, clicking on one of my videos, watching it all the way through, watching my ads. That helps me. That helps me sit here and be able to do what I love. I have 9 kids, so it's a little harder for me to go purchase all the makeup that I want in the world and do giveaways. But with being monetized and y'all watching my ads and watching my videos and pushing me through and helping me grow helps me because every bit that I get from YouTube, I put back into YouTube. Now, granted, I haven't got paid in a couple of months, but it is what it is, and I ain't gonna... I ain't gonna let that stop me. I just got to learn some more strategies, keep pushing, try to fix this Wi-Fi as good as I can, and push on. I am not a quitter. I do not give up easy. I just figure out other ways. This is the second palette for the giveaway. These are all 5-pan palettes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, 5-pan palettes. But I do have a little extra goodies with each one. So you won't be just getting a 5-pan palette, which is pretty good. They're cute. It's nice. I always like to get something free anyways, right? But I have a couple masks to go in with them and a lippy for each. Now, the way I want to do this, look at this one. This one is absolutely gorgeous. Bonbon Sweetie dipped Grinch and Dutch Melt For You pressed palette. But look at those colors. This will be a great everyday eyeshadow palette. Especially like if you're first starting out in makeup and you don't have a lot of palettes, this will be a great first palette. So you have these 3 palettes. The way I'm going to choose who gets what is going to be, I'm going to choose 3 winners. May 3rd, we're going to let this run 30 days so everybody has a chance to enter. Everybody has a chance to watch this video and go watch Samantha's. That way you have 6 chances to win, not just 1, not just 2, not just 3. You have 6 chances to win something in this giveaway. So make sure you share me out. I would greatly appreciate it. Give everybody the free opportunity of entering and winning something. We all feel really nice whenever we win a giveaway. It's amazing. It's a great feeling. We get free makeup, and free makeup is amazing. Y'all all know that. So the way I'm going to do it is I'm going to announce on May 3rd 3 winners. Whoever contacts me first, because I feel this to be the fairest way, will get to choose the first out of 3 palettes. Okay, winner number whoever, the first one that contacts me chooses their palette. Boom. The next one that contacts me I'll let y'all know which ones are available still, which one out of the 2 do you want. Boom. Then the last one, I will let you know, hey, this is all I have left. Sorry, but do you want it? And boom. Ta-da. Done. Easy peasy. One and breezy, right? That's the only way I see that it's fair, because I don't want to have to go through and be like, this is first winner, second winner, third winner, and the first winner didn't get in touch with me until after the 3rd and the 2nd. You know what I mean? So whoever gets in contact with me first, May 3rd, that's the winner. I will post in a post, community post, and also make a short video letting y'all know who won. I have IG, I have TikTok, and I have an email address. 3 ways you can get in touch with me to send me your address, your full name, your address, and all that good stuff. This is not international. I'm sorry. I just can't afford it right now. If I could, I would. If things gets better for my channel, I promise y'all I will be doing international giveaways soon, even if it's just gift cards. But for right now, this is US only, or US only address. Like, if you're outside the US and you have somebody you can ship it to that's willing to ship it to you, I don't mind that. And please be 18 years or older or have parents' consent, because I don't want to get in trouble for sending something to somebody who wasn't allowed to give out their address. That's the only reason for that. Now, here are the extra goodies. I want to jump in and show y'all real quick. So I'm not sure like how I'm going to pair these or whatever, but so there will be 2 masks. You have a sparkly mask, a brightening mask, a watermelon mask, a lemon mask, a lemonade mask, a charcoal mask, a skin smoothing mask, cucumber mask, and aloe mask, which is calming and soothing. So each will get 2 masks. Ooh, maybe 3. Okay, so I have enough to do 3 each. Please, if you're allergic to something and you are the winner, let me know. Let me know that, hey, look, I'm not trying to be picky or anything, but I cannot wear aloe, I cannot wear cucumber, I cannot wear watermelon, what have you. I will figure something out. I will make sure you don't get that. I don't want to send you something you can't use. Like, that just beats the purpose, because this is for one of y'all, and I want y'all to be able to play with it. Then I have 3 lippies. I have a Too Faced Tutti Frutti Juicy Fruits Comfort Lip Glaze in Home Slice. I have a Laura Geller 50 Kisses Lip Lock Liquid Color in the shade Ruby Romance. Then I have a Half-Baked Low Key Lippy. These are all really gorgeous. Hold on, let me show you the Too Faced one. They have not been opened. They have not been swatched. I promise. Look at that shimmer. And as I go through stuff and as I collect a couple more things throughout the month, y'all might be seeing some extras in your little bags. And then I also have this one. So if you do not like reds or dark lippies, let me know, and I've got a couple extra things around here. So just let me know. I also have this. So if all case scenarios, if you don't do sheet mask, we've got a superfood mask. Now, if the first person that contacts me with the giveaway wins, tells me they don't want a sheet mask, they'd rather have the other mask. The 2 other people to contact me, I don't have another mask to give, so you'll have to compromise with the sheet mask. Sorry. But yeah, this box is pretty full of goodies. Yay! So make sure you leave a comment down below. Enter me. You have to have your channel public so I can see that you are subscribed to me and Samantha, being this is a collaboration. We both worked really hard on doing this giveaway and coming up with things to give back to our subscribers. We just want to show some appreciation. This is not my only giveaway that's going to be going on in the next couple weeks. I will be having another one shortly, and it's with another YouTuber on her brand to share with y'all, so make sure you stay tuned. Even if this is not your cup of tea, or maybe if you already have these palettes and you want to pass it on to somebody else, give them the opportunity, make sure you stay tuned because I will be having more giveaways. I do plan on doing a couple giveaways with gift cards coming. So, like I said, make sure you stay tuned because goodies are coming. Y'all, goodies are coming. With that being said, I want to keep this bittersweet. Make sure you put down enter me. If you would like, please leave me a way to contact you just in case after 48 hours you don't contact me, I can try to reach out to you because I want to give everybody the free opportunity. After 48 hours and I haven't heard back from you and I've tried to reach out to you and you haven't got back to me, I do have to choose another winner because I don't want to keep everybody held up. It's not fair. So please try to stay as active as possible come May 3rd. And just keep your notifications on when you see a post from me or a video. Click on it. That way you know what's going on. And also with Samantha, because like I said, 3 winners here, 3 winners there. That's 6. Count it. 6 chances to win. The odds are in y'all's favor, guys. I am not a big YouTuber by no means. I don't get that many views, so your odds are good. I love y'all. Good luck to everyone that wants to enter. Thank y'all so much for being so patient with me and my channel and helping me and just guiding me and just being my friend and supporting me as much as y'all can. I truly, 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 honestly appreciate each and every one of y'all. I love y'all so much. I will see y'all.